In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Outlook. Whether you're new to using Outlook or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you can access your email quickly and easily. To start, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other web browser you normally use. Once you've got that open, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. What you'll want to do is type in Sign into Outlook. That's going to take you to a search results page, and you'll see a variety of links appear before you. Look for the link that directly takes you to Outlook's official sign-in page, usually labeled clearly to avoid any confusion with other sites that might be similar. Go ahead and click on that link. Now, you're at the Outlook sign-in page. The first thing you need to do here is enter your email address. This is the email you typically use with Outlook, so make sure it's spelled correctly to avoid any errors. Type it into the designated field and double check for typos to ensure you're all set. Once you've entered your email, move forward by clicking the Next button, and here's where the two-step verification process might kick in. Some of you might have security measures in place and will need to wait a moment for a verification code. Now, this code is usually sent to the phone number or alternate email address associated with your Outlook account, so keep an eye out for that. Once you receive the code, enter it promptly into the corresponding field. After entering the code, simply follow the on-screen prompts. It's quite straightforward from here. These prompts will help you navigate the process seamlessly and guide you to your inbox. You might be asked to confirm some details or occasionally update your profile settings if this is your first time signing in. Don't worry, all of these steps are there to help personalize and secure your account. And there you have it. You've successfully signed into Outlook, and your inbox should be right in front of you. This should help you access your emails without any hassle, ensuring you stay connected and organized. Remember, if you often use Outlook, you might want to bookmark the page to make signing in even quicker next time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into trouble while signing in, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. Have a great day, and enjoy accessing your email on Outlook.